what is going on YouTube. So it's been a little while, like not gonna lie, it has. Got a good old-fashioned vlog, but 2018, I've got a lot of plans, I've got a lot of big things coming, I promise you. I'm not gonna let you down. But, so here's what's going on. So, this weekend we are doing a fun run. I'm doing it with my buddy, Michael. We haven't done one of these in actually about, I'd say like 8 months. Some cars out here, by the way. Oh, and we're at McLaren of Houston. So, this is where the little rally is taking off. And I say rally just because it's a 2-day little trip. We normally, on our fun runs, it's only like a day. So this will be the first one that'll be 2 days. Starts here at McLaren of Houston. Let's kind of walk around, see what we got here.
This is just a bad memory. This is just a short summary. All the pain you caused me.
Check this out, all right? So Mike set us up so we could all meet at McLaren, and so I didn't really know what the whole deal was, but he actually did something pretty cool here. Got me a Caliber Collision Cup. That's one of his friend's businesses. Got me a McLaren of Houston hat whenever he gets me a McLaren, and then a little water bottle that has his company name on it. Pretty cool. He did that for everybody, so that was really nice. But yeah, now we're about to go on the rally, have a crap load of fun.
And let the wildfire shine and repeat after me like good girls go to heaven.
So we just pulled off for a little pit stop. I'm humbly sitting in the corner. All right, here, the Lotus, the Ferrari. That's a super light, that is dope. Stepping onto Mike's new 720S. This thing is a monster, it's a beast. Butch's SV. And then the Lamborghini Aventador Navatech that I reviewed. Top it off, we still got a lot of cars over here as well. Uh-oh, 5-0. Man, even my hand was kind of freezing. I can hear him. There he goes, just leaving me. Damn, look at that. Chicken dinner, we have a Kia Forte. And then I don't know if you can see.
Oh shoot, Stang Gang, get out.
I don't know if you can see there's lights going on over there. That's where our two friends got pulled over. Two friends were clocked at over 100, and somebody called saying that there were cars racing, so we need to be careful until we leave this town. And then Butch was like, yeah, that's what the officer said. And then Mike also said the officer said that he had numerous calls and that there's a blockade up front of cops there waiting for us. Do y'all want to try to get out of this town like on our own accord, just without all the supercar guys? Because that won't draw much attention to us since we're both in
Well,
Even if they did pull everybody over, we'd be all right because
We'll be okay.
we're hatchbacks in a supercar group.
Yeah. All right, there goes one of our guys. Supposedly there's a blockade waiting for us or something. I think we're out of the town, but I'm not sure because we didn't see one cop leaving the town. But I don't know. Whole group's on edge right now. We're gonna play it safe for a little bit. Just got to Aloft. Long drive, but everyone's parked. Looks great.
You guys are fast in the little white cars. I'm like driving fast, I'm like, yeah, and then there's like Have y'all seen that video where it's like two cars racing and then here comes like a little hatchback? And
They just like five eyes.
That's
that's you guys right there.
Is this?
All right.
Dude, look at that. Oh yeah, we can see the Volkswagen. Fun fact, the parking where we parked, it says high efficiency parking cars only. So if they ask, like, we're just gonna say we're hybrids.